Ito namang susunod po ay ginawan ko ng revival back in 2017. This is a classic 90s hit. So kung alam niyo po ito, sana po ay sabayin niyo po ako. And sing along with me, dance along with me. And this is for all of you. Here it is. Okay pa po ba kayo? Alright, so for my next song, this is one of my recent singles under Star Music. And ito po ay para sa lahat ng mga gusto ng bumitaw, sa lahat ng mga toxic na nangyayari sa buhay nila. Pwedeng sa relationship, sa mga nasaktan. Naks. So, okay lang po bang sabihin niyo akong kumanta? Tuturuan ko po kayo ng part ng chorus. So, when I sing, ako'y bibitaw na. Can you guys go? Na, 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 na. Pwede po tayo mag-practice. Okay po. 1, 2, 3. Ako'y bibitaw na. Amazing. I think you guys are ready. Let's call back the Maneuvers Ignite. Music, please.
All right, Darren, everybody, hello, Darren!
Hey.
Hi. On stage.
Yes.
The last time we were on
It's all
stage
right.
was like, I think, early this year, but it's so nice to catch up.
Yes.
Yes, again. So,
With our
you know,
Xiaomi fam, and
Of course.
everyone's here. They're still here, even though it's a bit hot. Maraming salamat po for staying, everyone.
Yes, actually, you know, I just have to say it is hot because, you know, you just danced
Yeah.
and sang.
It's all good. I had fun.
So, syempre, masaya yon. Eh, mahangin naman and everybody is having fun, right? Of course!
Yeah.
And you gave a wonderful, electrifying performance, Darren. So, I just have a few questions before I let you go. I am very curious, Darren. How do you stay? You know, you always perform at your best and at like 1,000%. So, how do you stay so cool and so like, alam mo yun, so cool and collected when you belt out those vocals? Paano mo ginagawa yun?
I don't know, I just have fun. Tsaka syempre, nakakadagdag sa energy namin, yung energy ng crowd. And I'm so grateful to you guys for hyping us up. Kanina pa kayo nandito, but you guys have been so energetic the whole time. So maraming
Wow.
salamat.
So you really get your energy from the crowd. You get
Yes.
your power, kumbaga,
Opo.
from the crowd.
Yes.
Grabe. I love that. I love that answer.
Thank you.
They love you daw.
I love you too!
Selfie! Selfie daw! Ay! Oy,
Okay.
gamitin natin tong... Sige, gamitin natin
Let's
tong
do a
phone
Xiaomi
dito.
selfie.
Let's do a Xiaomi!
Xiaomi.
Get it? Sige, gamitin natin. Ikaw na lang, Darren. Okay.
Alright,
Kayo
here we
na
go.
lang with the fans
Okay,
there.
okay.
Dito na lang sa gitna. Okay, guys!
Ready, ready, ready. Dito dapat.
Diyan na lang sa gitna para kasama lahat.
three.
Say Xiaomi!
Hey! Sapay, sapay, sapay.
Isa pa. Damihan nyo, damihan
Malapit
nyo.
naman.
From all sides, Darren.
Can I do a
Alright.
video? Okay lang po ba?
Yan.
Pagbilang ko ng 3, sisigaw po tayong lahat ng Xiaomi. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Xiaomi! Yeah! Thank you, everyone! Salamat po.
Alright, there you have it. Thank you so much, Darren. Message.
Yes.
Wala, message. Final
Of course,
message naman.
sa lahat po ng mga Darenatics na nandito, maraming salamat po. And continue to watch It's Showtime po. Mondays to Saturdays, of course. And also ASAP every Sunday naman. And you can follow me on Instagram, Darren Espanto. Maraming
Alright,
salamat
thank
po.
you so much, Darren.
Thank you, Xiaomi fam!
Okay, there you
Salamat
have it.
po.
We'll see you next time.
See you!